Hi there, students. Slant. Slant. It can be a noun or a verb. Aslant, to slant. And then as an adjective, slanted or slanting. Okay, a slant means at an angle, a slope, an incline. Not straight with the horizontal or not straight with the vertical. That picture is at a slant. It's slanting to the right. Put it straight. The ball rolled off the table because the table was at a slant. It wasn't flat. The forward slash on your computer, the key, is slanted to the right. The backslash is slanted to the left. So to slant, to give an angle to something so that it's not horizontal and it's not vertical. Yes, the pitch was slanted. Have you ever played football on a pitch that's not flat, that's slanted? That's quite hard. His handwriting is slanted, oblique, sloping, angled. More commonly, we use slant figuratively. Yeah, we use this to talk about conforming to a particular bias, or orientated towards the tastes of a specific group. So if you read the same news story in various different newspapers, they give the story a different slant depending on the political position of the newspaper. A bias. Yeah? They gave the article a right-wing slant. They gave it a liberal slant. Okay, so this article has an anti-religious slant. My personal slant on this is, okay, so my opinion, my angle, yeah? So to slant an article, to slant information, to present information with a bias, or to present it in a way that it is more appealing to a certain group. This program is slanted towards the tastes of young adults. This story needs to have a more humorous slant. We need to make it a bit more funny and give it a more light-hearted slant. The campaign was given a middle-class slant. It was slanted towards middle-class voters. Okay, so focused on. So slant, at an angle, the slant of a roof. The roof was slanted. A slanted pitch. And then a slant, biased, conforming to a bias. The report was slanted in favour of the home team. And then slant, targeting a specific audience. McDonald's is slanted towards kids. Could you give me your slant on this piece of information? Could you give me your opinion, the way you see it, the spin? Yeah, a political slant is the spin on something. Okay, so slant, at an angle, slant, conforming to a bias, a left-wing slant, targeting a particular audience. This is slanted towards this group. Okay, let's see, to slant, this is a regular verb. He slanted the story. He has slanted all his previous stories. Now, next question, how formal? I would give this a 5 in formality. I think it's completely flexible. You could use it in an informal conversation, and I think you could use it written in a very formal document. So it's useful like that. And then as to origin, well, there was a Middle English word slent with the same meaning, and this is related to the Old Norse word slent, talking about either to slip or falling on one side. So if something falls on one side, it becomes slanted or angled. So to slant, to put at an angle, to slant, to give a particular bias towards something, to slant, to aim at a particular audience. Your slant, your point of view. So I hope there was no other slant to this video than the objective of helping you learn English. And I guess the video is slanted towards advanced learners of English. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Slant.